Hi everyone, I'm here to show you how to make this pretty flower girl baskets, and this is all Dollar Tree stuff. So at Easter time, I found these baskets. They were pink originally, so my husband painted them white, and I bought these diamond wraps from Dollar Tree as well, as I will be decorating, and of course you will need hot glue for this. And also I bought flowers from Dollar Tree. So I'm just I don't really have anything in my mind really how I'm gonna create, so I'll go how it is. So first of all, you're gonna need to measure of the strip, and I will cut out the extra strip with scissors, and I will put hot glue and tape the diamonds around. So there goes my hot glue, and I'm gonna work on the next side. And let's put in the diamonds, and I'm using my two hands and trying to record. So yeah, it looks already cool and stuff, so I kind of want one to be a like glamorous look, just to show you how, simple things, and it looks so pretty, just like that. And please excuse my back, I am in my garage. But because my children were playing outside. But yes, and I can get some things done. So, and then I bought these flowers also from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna pull them out and use other parts and create something cute. So with this basket, what I really liked about it, it is plastic, and I put the stems or whatever you call that at the end. I just poked it through the inside and it already holds, but I will use hot glue later. First, I want to put in the pieces together, and then I will show you what I do next. So find the leaves and how you want to create, and then you're just gonna put some hot glue there, and I will put a little piece of ribbon. I had leftover ribbon, and I just cut the piece to keep this in place. So you can see you can keep it like that, but I'm gonna go a little more than that. So like I already said here, put the hot glue and glue it there. As you can see now, it's standing there perfectly. That way when the children do pick the petals, they won't push these flowers out. And this is the look after it's done. But I will be adding the diamonds around, which you don't want to miss out. So the extra diamonds that I cut off that didn't fit my other basket, I will use it here. And I think that's gonna add a nice look to this basket, and I think you will love it. So as you can see, this is all Dollar Tree stuff, and it's perfect and cute, and it's like you can make it so cute, and you can even make them and sell them, if you don't need it. I just love to do crafts, so for me, it's my thing. I love to create, I love to do crafts. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch my other videos. And now I also do cooking videos, so you want to check that out. I'll leave the link below. So yeah, and then I did on the other side. Yeah, I do have some paint showing a little bit, the pink. I will fix that after. My husband is dealing with the paint. So but yeah, that's the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, share.